Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use project files. Project files are essential for organizing all the elements of your creative work, like videos, audio, and images. They act as a central hub, making it much easier to manage your assets and settings. This method helps prevent common issues such as missing files or broken links, ensuring your projects run smoothly from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred software and select the New Project option, usually found on the Welcome screen. It's crucial to give your project a clear, descriptive name right away. Then, create a dedicated folder on your computer for this project. This folder will house all your media and the project file itself, keeping everything neatly together. Once your project is set up, it's time to import your assets. Bring in all your video clips, audio tracks, and images into the project panel. Within the software, use bins or folders to categorize these assets logically. Consistent naming is key here. It helps you quickly find specific files, saving you valuable time during editing. Saving your work frequently is paramount to avoid losing progress. Use the Save command often, and consider Save as to create incremental backups or different versions of your project. When a project is finished, archive it by gathering all associated media into one master folder. This ensures easy access and future compatibility for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.